Zangu tunasema kwamba ukifika pale kwenye hema ya safari kuna nani kula alipata kufanya mambo na safari kama kanitumia
kukuwa top scorer la second year Chapadima na third, nimefurahi.
Congratulate my girls. It's not easy, you know, playing an opponent twice in the finals, in the same tournament. They know you every time. They know you are sharp players, and also being at the top is easy, but retaining being at the top is a hard thing because everybody is eyeing you.